What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. And today I'm bringing you this new arrival, 1973 Plymouth Barracuda. Really cool car. Beautiful lime green paint in really clean condition. Barely any flaws. You got that 440 stripe. It has a 440 replacement engine in there with an MSD ignition. We do have a little bit of a belt squeal, but other than that, this thing is flawlessly running. It's running great, sounds great. As you can see, our taillights are working, our blinkers are working. The interior's in great shape. Let me give this thing a rev. As you can hear, it sounds great. Your blower motor does work as well. Your lights are working. Blinkers up front do work. Just giving you guys my thoughts and opinions on this car. Horn does not work. Let's turn these blinkers off. It does have an aftermarket B&M shifter in there. You get your tach here, water temp, oil, pressure, and volts over there. Black interior, really clean. Only flaw I can see here is the A is missing off of this CUDA badge. Very clean headliner, in great shape, black seats. Let's try the radio here. Radio's inoperable, old school radio right here. There is speakers here in the kick panel, so I do believe there may be an aftermarket radio somewhere. I do not see it. You get your fan switch down there. Electric fan, keep this thing cool. Let's turn those lights off. Your wipers do work very well. It was originally a column shift car, as you can see. Here's all your gauges. Reads 48,000 miles on the speedo. Let's get this key out of here. Let's go ahead, open up the trunk. Mopar upside down, pops right open. Very clean in here. Even underneath the mat, underneath this car's immaculate as well. Very clean. Body gaps are really nice. This is a show quality car in my opinion. Oh, you got your CUDA badge back here. Your sticker on the door. High back bucket seats. Black interior, of course, like I said. Door closes beautifully. Your engine bay painted nicely. Whoever painted it did a great job. Very, very nice. Aluminum radiator. It's got an electric fan and a regular fan. There you got like your trans cooler. Billet, accessory drive brackets, MSD ignition. Overall, this car runs really nicely. Very healthy sounding engine. Edelbrock intake manifold. Very nice carburetor on there. Looks like a Holly or a quick fuel. Hooker headers. All your wiring is done pretty neatly. And then here is your fender tag right there. Your master cylinder. Very well kept car, put together. There's your hood pins, true to form. Extremely true to form. You're not going to find another one this clean right now. Hard to find these Cudas. Cuda 440 badge. Really nice. Got your hood scoop. Just a very, very mean looking car. The color, very nice. Mopar fitting. Torque thrust wheels. There's your disc brakes in the front. Drum in the back, pretty standard. Here's the underneath. Very clean. As you can see, whoever did this car, restored it, they did a great job. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. Take a look at our beautiful warehouse. We have around 250 cars in stock. We offer special financing with our classic cars with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We offer a full service center, so if any issues you see on any of our cars, you want them taken care of, talk to your sales representative about that. They will get you a quote with service, but all of our cars are sold as is. Hope you guys have enjoyed my thoughts and opinions on this 1973 Plymouth Cuda that MGM Classic Cars is selling. Hope everyone has a great day, and I want to see you here soon picking up this baby because, man, it will not last long. Just an excellent, well taken care of car. Hard to find them this nice. Let's take a look here. Have a great day, everyone, and hopefully I'll see you here soon picking out the car you always wanted. Let's get you this in your garage because remember, it sure looks good here, but look a whole lot better in your garage. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a great day. Mr. Jenkins out.